So this is our first trip to the property. It's 20 acres in eastern Washington. It's desert in that it gets less than 10 inches of precipitation a year. This particular area has been overgrazed, so a lot of the diversity of wildflowers and grasses is not there because the cows have eaten them over the years and finally they don't come back. They don't eat sage, so the sagebrush are very tall where there is sagebrush, and then on the higher parts the topsoil has blown away and it's more sand and gravel with some wildflowers. We saw phlox, we saw white lupin, we saw blue lupin, nitrogen fixers, awesome, which means they add fertilizer, natural fertilizer to the soil. We saw a type of larkspur and some other plants we couldn't identify yet. But it's a gentle slope. We can definitely dig some holes and gather water in certain areas, and so we can help bring water into the soil instead of just letting it flow off. We can definitely plant more diversity of wildflowers and bunch grasses to cover the soil, especially in the upper regions where it's very dry. We were looking at what kind of exposure it has, what kind of soils, the different soils in the different areas. It looks like there's a couple. And then we'll make our plan.